Hey people, after long I'm again doing a recording. I just have to say this, right? That there is this cute venture called Simply Stylish by Sam. It's a sustainable clothing brand, really. And they make these cute bags. It's like ever since this is one bag. This is the second bag that I have from the same brand, and there was a third bag I bought which I actually gifted to someone, when in fact I'm very possessive of anything that I've bought from Simply Stylish by Sam, because it's so nice, right? But earrings, and it was these earrings, I gifted it to a friend, one pair. And see, there's a whole this cute little pouch has more earrings in it. And I just have to say this, yeah, that ever since I've got introduced to this brand, it's all about sustainable clothes. Oh, look at these earrings. How cute is this? Like ever since I've been introduced, now I'm very particular to always carry a bag with me, like cloth bag. I think cloth bags are so elegant, yeah. So I mean, it's made me more, careful towards the environment. So yeah, people, you all have to check out this brand. It's called Simply Stylish by Sam, and you can find it on Instagram. And once you buy her products, that's it. You become a fan for life. So thank you, Samida, for the work you do. And it's a brand I highly recommend everyone should try out at least once. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.